This episode of The Cut was filmed at the Men's Grooming Lounge.
Now this is me in the future. Always want to prove a point. Now we're contemplating another junction in life. We live with our decisions. It all come down to choice. It all come down to choice. Hey. I made use of my opportunity. Now I'm where I wanna be.
Welcome back to The Cut. And we're here with two young, successful Jamaican men. We're here with the captain of the ship, head of state, Damion Lowe.
Blessings, General.
Pro baller, All-American. You understand? National team captain, right?
Yeah, I'm giving me the honor, so just have to wear it, you know,
Have to wear
proudly.
it.
Yeah.
And to my left,
Yeah, man.
Teejay Jones, up top boss,
Yeah, it's a big up.
Teejay.
All the time, man.
Yo,
All the time,
be
man.
sitting.
Yeah, man, a lot of things.
If you catch them two, man. So when we realized that Jamaica in a World Cup preparation, I know I can target Damion, because them man in a day of Jamaica regular. But I know say someone now break from pro ball, national time now, right? And then Teejay now,
Yeah.
them man are hard.
Yeah, all rounder.
Me I try to catch Teejay for months.
Yeah, all rounder.
It's like how regular man take Uber or taxi. I saw them man
Yeah,
take
man.
plane family.
Yeah, man.
I love the
Do it for the
progress.
culture, do it for the culture.
Do it for the culture.
Yeah.
It's bigger than just Teejay now at
Bigger
this
than me,
point.
bigger than me.
Eh?
It's a weight.
It's a
Carry a
weight.
weight right now.
Where I deal with it proper.
Yeah,
though.
man. A
Yeah, I deal with
time,
it
nothing
proper.
beat time, you know?
Yeah, because as far as I know, you pay your dues in this thing.
Yeah, real talk. We used to come and dance, come pick up all buckle.
In a mobile there.
No, I chop it.
No, but I mean, I believe come know say over the years,
Yeah, man, but with the dance
been
from
a
them
set the
time,
thing and
yeah, man, long time.
thief out, bigger brother them and all these.
Thief out the car and God.
More want to start from Glendevon days.
Mm-hmm.
Describe to me Teejay in a mobile them time there's a little youth, upcoming, school, family, everything.
Well, honestly, it rough. For me, it rough because things and time pass, so we can maybe talk about it now. My era was when a gang in Montego Bay raid named Stone Crusher. Mm-hmm. Yeah, them time we got Glendevon Primary School. And like my community would be on the opposite side from the school. So the school would be in the Stone Crusher area.
Okay.
And I have to walk from Bottom Pen, go to Endon,
Rough
to
place.
school. So you know a rough thing. We have to fight, we have to fight sometime, thump up two man and thing.
Yeah.
But the greatest thing, my father not really grew me, but him come from the next side, which is the Stone Crusher side.
Okay.
So, one and two cousins and one and two people will know me and say, to my that and
Yeah,
left him
Lord,
alone. Him
yeah.
all right, him get one man.
You get there.
Yeah, because we know him father and we know him him grandmother and things. So
Yeah.
that kind of helped me most of the time, but it rough in my time growing up in Glendevon.
Yeah. How much brothers did you have?
4 brothers, 1 sister.
4 brothers, 1 sister.
Yeah.
So music was always a part of
Yeah,
your
man.
household?
Yeah,
From as far as mother, father, or just
From the
gonna-
age of 9, I know how to record myself on Pro Tools, like Vice myself.
And that's because your brother them they set the trend?
Yeah, because I grew up seeing them with the studio in the house and thing. Mommy a cook food and everything, and them a Vice same way.
Yeah.
So it was just a thing where me know say, yeah man, you have to bring this legacy and you know.
So tell me something, what kind of music them used to do then?
Well, for them music are the same, like my brother them used to name CNC, them used to come town from them time there with TOK and them thing there, so a long time.
Okay.
Long time. Like them admire TOK and feel like them should have been the next big group out of Jamaica.
Harmony and them things.
Harmony and everything, Backstreet Boys style.
What?
Yeah, but most of them turn Rasta and live Europe now, still perform same way, still do
perform.
music.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
reggae music.
So them you grow up, I look
Yeah,
up to.
them even name me Teejay and thing, give me the name and,
Yeah.
you see me?
So you grew up mainly with mommy at the head of the
Yeah, I
household?
grew up with my mother, my 4 brothers, my little sister, my uncle, grandmother, everybody. Yeah.
So when you didn't know say music are the thing, music are gonna be a thing where you pick say yo, Am I something that, you know?
From a band. Yeah, man, from a band. Because what you go on, from a small till now, anytime people ask me what you want to be in a life, I always tell them I'm an artist.
Yeah, they
Like
don't
from a
know.
little, from grassroots.
Yeah.
And the first time I hear my song play upon radio, I think I'm in grade 4 them time there.
Grade 4.
Yeah, hear my song play on IRA FM because somebody from my community used to work at IRA FM as the engineer, set up the thing, them wire and all these things. So
Yeah.
him get the opportunity like in the morning, early morning, him get to spin to a tune and thing because him can DJ same way.
Right.
So
right.
we hear we song on the radio,
For the radio,
and
that,
feel
that
nice.
beat. Yeah.
So I don't know, going to high school now, at grade 7, we used to come Kingston for all together sing.
You used to sing,
Yeah, man, for St. James High School.
oh, where I say?
So it's like,
At St. James High School, you go?
yeah, man, the community always a see me on TV and I said, the youth, yeah,
Yeah, watch him.
watch him, star. So everybody in our community always try to protect me the same way. Even when we feel like we want to pick up badness and them things, they have the
Yeah.
man in our community. I said,
No,
no.
we are doing the youth and
we are
music
doing-
and your thing, you know.
Go and go sing. Lowe that alone. You get me, sir?
All right. I go forward.
Yeah, man.
Damion, I don't know if everybody know, but we as Reggae Boys fans know you're born into, what you call it now, Jamaica national team royalty as the son of a Nanny Lowe, right? So growing up as a youth, what was your brought up say like?
Upbringing?
Upbringing, yeah.
Alright, you know, I'm forward from Rockford, East Kingston, isn't it? So,
Yeah.
rough place.
So that's the original community?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rockford, you know.
Yeah,
And, you know, the violence out there, so when it turn up.
yeah.
But me did kind of sheltered in a way where my father never run joke with school. You know, him never really care about the football. You know, and my grandmother, my grandfather, him passed away, and my grandmother passed away. They make sure say, yo, listen me. When you go to school, you come home, you stay in the yard, you don't come out.
Okay.
But we unruly, so we jump the fence
Oh, you
and
mean?
go to the church, go play ball, and we know so we're just going to get beat. No, accept the fact that later we are going to get beat. And that's it, you know, but make sure so we do the work and thing because most of my friends, them, who I grew up with, them pass away through violence. Yeah. You see me? Them never really see the way out or get help to find a way out. So it did rough, but, you know, I go vast prep, which was uptown school, you know, sheltered, preparatory
But
school.
still in a rough
But
part
in
of
a
town
rough,
too.
Rallington town, but up on the edge of Rockford, and I really, but when me go Vaz, it was mostly affluent.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, man. Vaz
people.
at uptown school.
Yeah. So, but I mean, I was one of the only youth them from the garrison. I got there, so,
Yeah.
but because my father played ball and them thing, them could
Of
afford
course,
that.
of course.
But my schoolmate, them never know me live in the garrison. But my father did have a thing whereby I feel like it worked. Him kind of make me get the experience uptown too because we live a plantation and it's on the weekend, but we grew up in the garrison. So we get the best of both worlds.
Right.
You understand? So him show me, say, yo, listen, me life, the devil live, but it's rough where me come from. So you have to make sure, so you fight and get that chip up on your shoulder. You see me? If you know, say, all right, listen, when you're out in the real world now, you know what it takes to get right or so.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
So I just my upbringing that, and you know, whole heap of things, as I say, I see whole heap of violence, I see whole heap of my friend them there at a young age because of violence. So that kind of make my mind say, listen me.
Pretty different.
Yeah.
What about siblings?
Me the oldest at 10. You know, my father a baller back in the day, just a run the road.
Shooter.
Shooter,
Yeah,
you
you
know.
can never shoot and you know, say your
Well,
father
I
not
don't
shoot.
miss.
You don't miss.
So-
Bad striker, you know, you ever hear about Anande Lowe, the great Anande Lowe?
Yeah, so I just that and, you know, with everything, we're just grateful for the journey. You know, because we can show the younger generation, say, yo, listen me, never easy, but if me make it out, you can make it out too.
Ball game for you did start when? Basket?
No, man, I don't know over there, yeah, just a kick ball, book off your toe.
Yeah,
you
because
know.
you're born and grow. Yeah. That's all you know.
That's
them
all
time.
I know. You understand? That's all I know. My family, all of my uncle them play ball. You know, when me I grew up, them used to say my older uncle, them call him Taffy. You know, Bibi probably know him too. Bibi play with him at Harborview, them say him better than my father.
Yeah.
But because he was the older one, he have to take the responsibility to take care of him younger siblings them, so him have to go work and put on the
Right.
ball. So
Yeah,
so
yeah.
my father now take up
it
the
up.
ball game and take
Yeah,
it
man.
serious. Yeah. So one sacrifice for one, but one still go make it and take care of everybody said we.
Yeah. Hey, but I have to ask you, must it never normal to have Onandi Lowe as a father? Because them man, they don't laugh with people. Hey, look here, man. Nana is a serious man where you see him.
Yeah, man. I tell, as I said earlier, childhood trauma. I go through it, man. You know, as a youth, you're on the road, you have not played to, and you hear some people say, come just like him father. Hey, boy, you go come just like your father. And yo, your father, hooray, and tell. But it kind of messed with my brain away, whereby, in a good way and a bad way. You know, play against me, but also, it made me stronger. Make me have to prove people, say, listen me. Good daddy. You understand? I'm going to be great. I'm going to set a legacy for showing, say, yo, one not talk, say, another truth.
And the truth is, a greatness your father show it.
Exactly.
Your greatness, right truth. That man was the first man where homegrown Jamaican where you can say, yo, the raw world-class talent with the strength and just, and he did have a thing where he could have played any position. So you want the man that go a striker, him go a striker and baddest striker. If you need him for play sweeper, him go around there and lock shop. So him did have that versatility there. And I realized that even nowadays, you have been finding that versatility within your game for say, yo, if I have to move from centre back to
midfield,
up the field, midfield or whatever, depending on the game situation, I'm a respect that. I say, your thing evolve. It's important for ballers be versatile.
To be honest, when you're younger, you kind of play for on the field when you're youth. You see me, I play ball, any sport, anything. You know, you try to be, you know, as even in the artist role as Teejay, you have to be a singer. You have to can DJ, sing at the same time.
That is true.
You have to be marketable. You see me, that means we can jump on a track with Whiskey, very, anybody. You understand?
That is true.
So it means our team come and watch me, they must say, all right. Him can play midfield, him can play defense, we can use him up on the right side, the market value up. Everybody want to work with me.
That is it. That is it.
But when you're youth, you tend to do that. But when you reach like say late teenage years, you kind of try to master one thing.
Focus.
So when you focus and master that one craft, you know, the more experience you get, now you can say, all right, jump back into that. I'm sure Teejay can relate to that.
No, because I mean, that's we respect Teejay's versatility, because them man, your voice is one of the things them where make we know say.
Dynamic.
This is just one of them artists that you know.
Natural.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't practice thing, a talent.
A talent.
Messi one.
You understand?
Talent.
Because one night time, you know, brother, I go watch a match with Jamaica and Messi them one night time. And I tell her, say, come down that we can't believe say Messi that right is up on the field later.
Yeah, man.
Talent I look for it.
Yeah, man.
Who want bust all two blank when he score and just have to hold it up and just know, say,
So you have
the talent.
Yeah, you have opportunity for play against Messi a couple times?
Yeah, all right. Before him signed even my club, he was there, so I even shared the locker room with him. But behind closed doors, nobody never knows. Same day in Miami or nothing. So I there in Miami before I move go Philly. So I play against him in a national team and at club. And to be honest, me was a Ronaldo fan at first. But when I play against him, I said, no, sir.
Last South Africa,
this man, he not come from planet Earth. That man is an alien, man.
That me the one ask you feel it.
I thought them not come from Earth still, man.
Yeah, but Messi.
I thought them not come from Earth.
No, Ronaldo, you know.
Out of this world.
Messi.
Yes, you can testify
when me
to that.
play against Messi, this man is not normal.
Yeah, man,
Him not play like a regular footballer.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. Hard to stay with him.
Man, and the man at 35 now, and him still move like him at 18.
Still move like him at 18.
You understand? But again, experiences, you know?
Teaches knowledge, man. Teaches wisdom, you know?
So, all right. So after you pass high school now and gone now, what was the musical journey from this now? When, but body for the up top, but that, you said that was your first breakout. And you know, boss come in at levels. You have underground and you have a couple things.
Before even Up Top Boss, we did have a song named Up Top for the gangsters them same way.
Give me a piece of that one then.
We don't laugh with people.
Big old song. That boss you. Okay. That before,
Up Top Boss.
Yeah,
I made enough money off of them tune there.
Yeah.
I tell no lie.
Yeah.
No.
No, but it's crazy how music works, see, because Teejay, you have hits on top of hits.
True. And we have potential, it's same way.
Potential hits, but,
Yeah.
but one song come lead the pack.
Yeah, all the time.
One song come lead the pack.
Yeah, cause right now, look pan drift. Sometimes, me have to wonder if the label not ready for drop no more song. Well, like, where we not drop those songs? What
brother.
But suppose me tell you, yeah, go on
Listen,
talk.
me travel the world, I go 30 odd country in the world.
Yeah,
Every club I'm going to,
drift have to play.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's true. Man.
Biggest song, all right, so me Reese video. I remember Reese video one night and I said, Teejay, one thing me I tell you. And them time the song done it and I go on bad.
Yeah.
But I say, don't take your foot off of the gas for drift because I've seen this before.
Real talk.
We've seen these type of songs. You see, when it reached to that level of big, all it do now is just start breaking
man.
into
It's swell,
different
man.
Yes.
marketplaces.
But it's a tricky thing with music because at the same time, you see if me never like have a firm mindset to say, yo, don't listen to your people, them and I know them are gonna vex with you right now, but now watch them right now.
Yeah.
Later on I gotta understand why we never drop 100 song and make
Right.
sure say everything drop it.
Yeah.
Because we find a big song like Drift, me no feel like no, you want a lukewarm song or a mediocre song. You want to make sure say timing properly and everything where you drop it.
Yeah.
So if the Jamaican fan base might say, boy, I need to drop a next song. It just sketch.
Yeah.
So we have
just
to press gas.
Yeah, still have mileage in
Yeah,
it.
still have mileage.
And one of the biggest milestones, the biggest accomplishments that it as a song has done is recently where it added to
the
Fortnite
Fortnite
game.
Yeah.
Which Fortnite, you come on now, you have youths.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah.
Fortnite.
Yeah.
Fortnite is one of the biggest selling games in the
I know if
world.
you in the business don't know about sync and publishing and all of
yeah.
them things. So them have to get educated about it. Same way, you have to have
It's
a
true.
good manager, you have to have a good lawyer to make all of them deal happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because one thing off and it can fall through.
One thing often fall.
Yeah, but we noticed from your link up with Sharon and
Yeah, man,
Sally,
the boss,
the thing,
man, Sally,
the thing
hey.
that's got so.
Sometimes I pull up some place like as a mobile youth, because you know we're a countryman. So I pull up some place I like, I see some Sharon Kapachi them, or long time Kapachi them, we feel all the way.
Yeah.
I say, boy, we don't know what we do Sharon star. Me I tell them, say, hey, listen to me, you know Sharon think bigger than me. Hear them know, you know you go pick side.
No, from you got a big voice, so we know. Yo.
Them say, you go pick side. I say, no, man, everything good, but I just the business.
Yeah,
Me
me have my
understand it
formula and you know a phone with formula.
Yeah.
You understand?
Make a dance couple times, girl, I take no picture. Make me turn up in ya.
I know you're tired of talking about drift, but we have to talk about it, brother. Like, because the song is such an impact, it's such a phenomenon in the music world. Me kind of want to go back to the day when it vice. Which part it vice? At the rhythm you hear first. What kind of vibes it did under when they sing that
You
song
know,
there?
say, big woman thing, Miami me there.
Miami.
Yeah, me there in Miami for a good while. And it's like, me and my DJ a reason, and they must say, yo, you need to go back in your inner self, like try to see what your son and your daughter like.
Okay.
Like same thing what you see how you reason with me, I say you just make we laugh or you talk be a foolishness.
Yeah.
Just sing them type of song there then sometime. Make people understand say yo, we enjoy ourselves, we're still young.
Yeah.
Stop
Happy
all
music.
up yourself. You do some music where me not say, you know, but you can. I mean, I said, God, no, I have to go find a TikTok song there.
Yeah.
But from December, like 2022, December, Gabby done tell me about Drift.
Oh,
A Rebel Salute, if me not lie, or January.
yeah. Because you're not dancing artist.
Yeah.
You never do a dancing song yet like that,
Yeah,
for say.
no.
But
And him said to me, DJ, no, you don't do them things, but believe in me, try it.
yeah,
And it ended up that it take me 1 year after, you know,
him tell you, yeah, feet soak.
feel so.
Slow cook, no pressure,
Swear.
man.
Yeah.
Panda send me a beat. Yeah, I see him so like that it go. Panda send me the beat sometime in a March. If me not lie.
Yeah.
And then me I listen to the beat and me text him and I say this bad, you know. Same time I reply this bad, but me take the rhythm and me voice 2 songs on the rhythm. Voice a girl song first on the rhythm. Then me say bigger, I know this, you know. This already my body done I do all the white for do already, so me can't they go so hard pan it. I have to make it rhythm, do what I do, and I just do something simple for it. Honestly.
Yeah.
I swear to God, I not even know which part. In here,
I just a vibe.
it just forward like.
But I dance all that.
Honestly, me I do the song, like I have the headphone for my ears and I say, Ocha, who do? And like my G just did this.
Yeah.
He just a laugh.
Yeah.
I see him just
Happy
a laugh
music,
and me I
man.
look
Yeah,
at him
man.
and I say, yo, this bad enough.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You know, me turn it up, like me in the garage and me turn it up. I swear to God, my DJ will come down and and say, yo, this bad.
Yeah.
I say, it bad. I say, yeah, but me never have the liquor slur thing. Them like, yeah. And then me turn up in here, turn up in here, turn up in here.
Yeah.
So I send it to Panda. Panda say, you just need some ad-libs. Then me link, boom, boom. I say, boom, boom. I want to bust that song, yeah. I produce it, and I said, no. Make one of them little uptown youth, yeah. Promote it.
Yeah.
So I come to see some link up.
Such people and such people.
Yeah.
DJ Max same way,
Right.
we link him up and that time say, yo, produce a song, yeah.
Okay. So the
Get me, I
song's
say,
done
the song they done
set
re-
up and
Alright, a
everything.
matter of fact, when even Mark take up the song, they done out already. On
Okay.
Panda platform, like the video they done go viral.
Yeah.
We have about 20,000 people under the song already. And I say, watch it, and him do him the same way. And the song just blew up.
God.
Big.
That's crazy.
Like when me call Sharon and I say, Sharon, I find the hit song, you know. She say, I saw it. Sharon, you know about TikTok? She said, Teejay, no, you think I hold, but I don't call you. She see it on TikTok.
Yeah.
Me I say, yeah, man, the song, man, just make her run with it. I swear to you.
Yeah, TikTok.
Yeah.
TikTok is...
But it take a lot to because for young DJs or young artists who are going to see this, so we are reason about, me did have to do 163 promotion dub
Yeah.
for Drift. Feet reach where it's supposed to reach.
Not to mention the free show them.
Not to mention the free promo show we
Yeah.
have to do for the label. Like
Right.
my birthday October 3rd and from the 4th of October go straight back to December promotion.
Right. So there's a
Inna the
whole
code.
heap of groundwork
So a
behind
whole
the
heap
scenes.
of work put in, you know,
Yeah.
just
No. Not
maybe
no.
if we never do
come
that,
up,
you would have just go so and then it just.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
just
yeah.
because we are putting the groundwork with
Right.
face, we're in the right room at the right time.
It up, yeah, bubble
Yeah.
up. Yeah,
It
yeah,
just-
yeah. That's
Because
crazy.
see, sometimes I talk to the label and I say, yo, what go on? We need to drop something. They be like, oh, Drift, just pick up in the United States. You're not seeing it, but trust me, you can do what you want to do. We'll focus on Drift. I say,
Yeah.
all right, don't want to. We can't complain.
So, you know, I want to ask you, so, like, the dance itself, is it that a thing where that copyrighted too?
Gabby and dance, man.
It copyrighted in a way
Yeah,
that, like,
man.
so if
Because
it go,
if you look on the Fortnite thing, Gabby and get him credit.
get
too,
him
you know.
credit, wicked. That
For the
one I know.
dance, so-
Every ghetto you
It
be
in
a
a
star.
history, Gabby and Bill Drift, whether we like it or not. TJ is just the singer, Gabby and is a creator.
Love that.
Yeah, man, I him, man.
Yeah.
I am. And
Me
guess what
correct.
now? Gabidan is not just a dancer. Gabidan basically coming like a PR same way. Like even when Gabidan now show with TJ, Gabidan out there a promote Drift.
Yeah.
My dance,
No,
man.
Yeah, we see him in the
in the
streets
street
still.
like
We see
the
him in
white
the
line.
streets,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah, man.
See Gabby in the streets.
Yeah,
Him
man.
committed to it.
Trust
Just
me.
committed to
And
the
him
work.
start, like him apart Sharon too long.
Yeah.
Because when Gabidan asks if you do see him, just come turn up and look upon you, so you have to play it.
Yeah, man. That's true, man.
Because me dey on the road with Sharon and Sharon will say, come, we need a picture with that man. And I say, Sharon, yeah, man.
Yeah.
And by me, look. All right. Sharon tell Frenchman Tana if come out of the car and mine, she slap him, you know.
Yeah. Big Frenchman.
You guys better get out here right now or else I'm gonna slap you. Frenchman Tana have to come out and do the video.
I
So I
never
tell
seen
the
nothing like
artist,
it
say,
yet.
you have to have good manager, you have to have people who believe in you.
I will fight for you.
And go fight for you.
Persistent.
Yeah, true. I want to talk a little bit about your journey to becoming a pro footballer.
Yeah.
Right? So I know you are a Harborview baller.
Yeah.
You know you play Manning Cup couple
Yeah,
seasons.
Camperdown, yeah.
Camperdown.
Yeah.
That's a record full of old school,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
A
Well,
while
if a
ago.
legacy in a ball, you know, some top baller come through there. You know?
Yeah, man. Think it
So give me a little background as to the journey towards being a pro baller?
Well, you know, start out as I say Vaz. You don't know, legendary Jumpy Harris. You know.
In the coach Vaz?
Yeah, Jumpy was my coach.
Big Jumpy Harris?
I don't know, you have somebody there on at the time.
Yeah.
You know, and then Wooley come 2 time and forward and things. So,
Okay.
you know, a legendary family that, you know.
Yeah,
so I get a
man.
whole heap of teaching. Then
Yeah.
go Camperdown. So
Yeah.
Camperdown, you have the likes of Peter Cargill, you know, Wiley Bow.
Yeah.
Whole heap of man come through the school and thing. Then play Manning Cup. And my last year Manning, I have 2 years left in the Manning Cup. You know, I talk to my father and thing, and them I say, what you feel like you want to go foreign or you want to stay at school, play Manning Cup? And I said, here I go on, Daddy. Me, I wasn't one of the big name. You know, me come from a big name family, but I wasn't a big name baller where week in, week out on Manning Cup, you see me have highlight reel and my name I call big.
Okay.
So, but me a good baller.
Yeah,
You
Defend,
understand?
defend, same way?
Yeah, me that defend. Me that play striker sometime because it's a utility player,
Oh, okay.
midfield, defense. So anyway the coach say, Damion, go play,
Okay,
me just
okay.
a coach. Yeah, so the day I say that the year ago now, I feel like say the resources in Jamaica nah gonna make me be as good as how I want to be. Because me always in the shadows, you always have players above me where me nah get to make that jump there. And I know me have the potential. Sure. And he must say, all right, here I go on. Think about it, make me know I talk to Ludlow Bernard from Harbourview. And Ludlow say, here I go, I know some have an opportunity for you to go Toronto FC in an academy. And I say, all right, coach, give me it. I go. Negotiations never right. Me a 16-year-old them time there. And then you have a thing one time whereby you can go college, then you go pro. You see me? But you couldn't play. When you're a youth, I grew up, you know. If you play Premier League out of Manning Cup, you know, you have to be elite. You know?
Yeah.
You can't just be a regular baller playing a Premier League at Jamaica. You have to be top.
Yeah.
So he couldn't go play Premier League.
Okay, yeah.
So I get the opportunity, I get about, to be honest, 15 full scholarship to go university overseas. And I say, you know what, I take one close to New York, I have family at Hartford. You know, Hartford come like a yard the same way.
Yeah.
You see me? So I say, go to Hartford and just take off from there. So I go, I do well, you know, I get drafted top 10.
Yeah,
You know,
big deal,
first
something
round,
that.
and then get my professional contract. But you don't know when you grow up, when your father set a legacy, big shoes to fill, you know.
Yeah.
Size
Holy,
12.
what?
Yeah, man.
And me I tell you, say you have only people. I say, oh, because I'm father make him reach this, or because I'm father make him get them opportunity. I mean, I say my father not open my whole heap of doors to me. That kind of give me a leeway or the opportunity to say, yo, see the door there, but I'm me have to walk through it.
Oh, you mean?
You see me, them say you can't ask, go river, go drink, but you can't force him to drink it,
yeah,
the
yeah,
water, right?
yeah.
So, me the kind of take them things to the heart. I feel hurt because of what people say. I say, oh, because I'm father. So I make sure, because if you notice now, we know upon the media, enough time, as a youth I grew up, them used to say, son of Onandi Lowe. No, nobody now say that no more. They must say Damion Lowe.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Enough
That's
time the
true.
headline, son of Onandi Lowe. I'm proud of that.
Yeah.
But
But
me
we
also
have to
feel
change
a
that.
way. I have to change
Yeah,
it.
man, I have to change that.
I have to change it.
Yeah.
You know, so nowadays, I feel more proud. I say,
Yeah.
I do it. You know, I'm a set my right now, I'm follow my father legacy, I'm a create my own lane, and me a drift right now.
That is
Drift
it.
me a drift.
Yeah, man.
On a straight road.
On a
How we do
straight
that?
road. How we do that?
So, all right. So, you know, say, World Cup qualifiers is in the air again. I'ma feel like, say, the story right for Nana, the elder Nandilo,
Yeah.
help carry go a World Cup, and now you come back as second generation reggae boy to carry back. How confident is the team and the coaching staff in us going to the World Cup?
Confident still, you know. Confident, you know. I feel the nation need it.
We need that.
we
We need
need
it, man. 5-hour semi-final.
Yeah, we need it. And we feel like the team we have here now, the
team
team
we
we have here now, the man who play Premier League and the man who top form,
Yeah.
we can do it. And I tell you, once we get to the World Cup, sky's the limit, you see. A knockout rounds, you know. You know, a winner guy a yard, you know. So anything can play and any ball can play. You understand? So you can't doubt the limits. You know, but for me personally, I feel like a whole heap of pressure. Because you choose my father play 98.
Yeah.
Me, I said, Jaja, I have to reach there. Because my father have 62 cap for Jamaica. And right now, the match tomorrow, I'm going to make my 63rd cap.
Really?
So me a pass him this another landmark there. So
Okay.
one thing left for me do now, I have to
Go
go World
World
Cup.
Yo, brother, it done right already.
So right now I'm fully focused.
Fully focused.
And not only for me, but me just feel like the country need it. I feel like they
we
want
need
to
that
go
one.
there.
We need
Yeah,
it,
man.
man.
The opportunity limitless for the youths them.
Yeah,
You see me?
yeah.
Sure.
And even just we get a buzz off of what the women them do.
Yeah, and back to back them go, you know. So
Yeah.
we have to try even say from 90 to 20 of the years ago that, you know.
Yeah, man.
You understand? We're happy.
So you would have been 5
5-year-old.
in a 98.
Yeah.
You remember them
I
times?
remember the moments, I remember the games, I remember all excitement, pot cover,
Yeah.
big flag in the stadium. Then there are people in the stadium from 12 o'clock, sun out.
Yeah.
I watch match. You understand?
Yeah.
So remember them things my mother carry me go everywhere. You know, the whole community out. I remember them things, but I don't remember really the match, the event, you know, and stuff. But remember moments.
And what we need now from Jamaica too is the crowd support. We need that because the players, we need that buzz there. Don't it?
Yeah.
It's different when the stadium
Yeah.
full for
Yeah.
a home crowd advantage. A 12 man
Yeah.
that. Eh?
Yeah, we need that for real. But
Yeah.
the JFF, you know, to be honest, them have to step up. But them have to do little thing now. I have to give them props.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Them have to do little thing now. Them get a marketing team. You know, for market, put up some posters around. I see people send me a picture, say, yo, the poster them there all over the place and things. So things are going, you know.
So Damion, last week we had Leon Bailey here, right? And I know he's one of Jamaica's top players. We all know that, right? And he has issues with the federation and stuff, and him taking a break now. As a leader in the team, right? I'm gonna frame this away where, I'm not just ask you, become why you get a comment. As a
Yeah.
leader in the team, as captain,
Yeah.
do you feel like you have a role to play in mending these relationships?
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
Because it's a personal issue. Me and Leon, we have a close relationship outside of JFF, outside of football. You
Right,
know,
right.
friends, brethren. So
Yeah.
me and him all reasoning, heart to heart. But when you come back on the football side of things, we know the situation, we know the JFF can do way better, you know?
Yeah.
And sometimes we feel them not take the extra steps to do better. So him speak out. You know, I know a situation that where now he might take a break. It's sad because him in a top form right now.
Yeah.
You know, we want our best players on the field at all times. You know,
Definitely.
so obviously, yeah, I gotta feel some type of way about it because I need my best players on the team.
Yeah.
For them on the field for fight. Because a nation versus nation, I tell everybody that every time, you know.
Yeah.
You know, nation versus, it's like a world war, you know, who go out there, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So we need the best warrior them out there every single time.
True.
But again, we have a personal issue where need to be addressed
Yeah.
and we need to be sorted out, not just brush under the rug,
Right.
so we can move forward. But again, in my own man, when him feel ready
Yeah.
to join back the team,
Yeah.
I'm sure, you know, we're gonna have a talk, you know, as a team, and we say this is the reason why he made a decision there, and we just move forward. Because this bigger than we are doing it for the nation.
Well said.
You understand?
Well said.
Yeah.
Well said. And I want to tell you, because you have done your fair share of advocating for the team too.
Yeah.
As captain, obviously, you have
Yeah.
to play that role.
Yeah.
And that time, boy, I have put on a next level of respect for you because me see how you deal with it militant but still diplomatic.
Yeah.
And I feel like even on the field, you have that way how you play ball where you're rough, but you're fair. You're within the rules of football, but
Yeah.
you know normally you will make a boy know say, nah, forward, you know, but there. That's why them call you head of state.
I feel because, you know, growing up again, grew up me hear too much people that talk too much bad things about my name, about my legacy. I don't like that. I'm going to find, say, as a Jamaican, we're not just Jamaican, we're a way of life. Everybody want to be we, and everybody want to beat we. Everybody
true.
want to be better than
True.
we. And man, proud when walking in the room and say, I'm going to get the better one Jamaican.
Real
You
talk,
understand?
yeah.
Because we're cocky, we're hype in the way. When we walk in the room, people have to know, say, yo, we are yard man. You understand? So when I'm out there, people have to feel me and know, say, yo, I'm there, we're there.
It's
You
almost
understand?
like you constantly have to
Prove yourself
Yeah,
every
yeah.
single time.
Yeah.
But me have to do it because, you see me? As I
like
said,
a great man.
Speaking about proving self, right?
Yeah.
Teejay, on your personal YouTube page, you have over 600 million views,
Yeah.
streams, however you want to frame it. That's not normal. That means say you trek all the way to 1 billion.
Yeah.
Right? Do you ever feel like pressure for find the next big song where I gotta do them type of numbers there and or he's a man who just make the music. You strike me as a type of artist.
The only thing me kind of get pressure about at time is the business itself. Because it's tricky. You have a time when them people say you, and then you have a time when, like, just because the man they over there say a friend and the man there not deal, we not promote a song and we are ban work and thing. But we do it one type of way where if you come out on the media, come talk, we are left people for just say, oh, you chat too much, isn't me? Yeah, so just that alone me get pressure with sometime. Like even now, I reach out to a portion of people in a dancehall music who me say do promos for song because our business, I say thing we have to invest back in our craft as artists.
Right, yeah.
And I reach out to about 5 person right now in the music business and them tell me say, yo, can't work with you right now, unfortunately.
Different camp.
Swear to God.
Them sign.
It's not even about style, it's about a business. It's about the business. I'm paying you my money. This is what you do. You do promo. I'm paying you money to do promo.
Yeah.
You get me? I say it's business. It's not like me come link you free. And you tell me, say, no, re.
Also, so man a whole...
Yeah, all right, gatekeeping I go on.
Gatekeeping I go on, yeah.
But I feel it unnecessary for fight against an artist who like already...
Wave the flag.
Him gone through again.
Gone through again,
Where we gonna fight him for?
Exactly, yeah.
Back to riches, back to the biz. No feel so see me, yeah, ask to me is. Now we got the...
I have a thing, I know you feel that way, but I have a thing where I feel like Kingstonian people really feel music only stop at Kingston.
Well, you know,
No, so
like,
Even know them things.
No.
Teejay, you can't say that no.
no, man.
They're
Mobi are the country we can't ever call Mobi is like
because
a next
I just
capital.
have to tell her
Because of the
that's
artists
the
that come
only
out.
thing
No,
that pressure me.
We can't
Because right now, me now, no one get up and worry about that. And 19,000 people live at St. James. Me just we go back home to 19,000 people. Like me not worry about and like me done bust. Like, what me go worry about if that man didn't play me song over there? Sorry, that not gonna know.
Yeah, no man, I feel like I not even like I say country have proved themselves. Because you can't ever call it that again. Remember say the world.
Yeah, music overall proved themselves, but trust me.
It them
You
still
have
feel
them
like
money
it's stuff
out there so
and
and them be who feel like if we don't do this for them, nobody gonna do it. Trust me.
Yeah.
Swear to you.
So all right, something I want to ask you because right now you're a signed artist. You're signed to an international music label, Warner, right? What does a big company do for you as an artist that you and your team couldn't do already?
Put me in a Fortnite.
That's it. So them type of opportunity they open up to you now.
The first time I went to Warner building in California, and the white man walk in, he was like, this song, I don't know, everybody love this song. My daughter love this song, my son love this song. We're about to spend 200,000 more on the radio station. Like, honestly, me not have 200,000 years to take up spend per one song.
Right.
When me had that with my 6 people them from the village. Exactly. My tribe.
Yeah.
You get me?
It's a different league.
It's a different league. What the label are gonna do, we cannot do it.
Right.
All of them sing, them thing, the pitching, all of them thing there. We don't have time for that. We don't know about that.
Right.
You get me? I say, we just know, say, yeah, man, boom, boom, if play that song in the Uptown Monday, and pan and knock the pan, and you know, I give me that bus to routine and the trend on TikTok.
Right.
That is
Them
it.
are
I
deal
swear
with
to
it on a
God,
different
that's all we
level.
know.
Because them saying, some of my song them now left airport.
Yeah.
Still
man,
up on the runway, you know?
Yeah,
And then a baggage claim I go on.
Yeah, so. Yeah, man, I have to push forward as an artist.
Yeah.
You know that too.
Yeah, of course.
You used to do the thing, and I tell you, it's rough.
Yeah, man.
Drip
really
a
rough.
satellite right now, global.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Everywhere
man.
in the world. You can't stop it.
So both of our parents' Father's Day is around the corner. How does it feel to be able to provide a different life for your children where you could only dream of as a little youth to grow?
It's a great feeling.
It's a great feeling.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
My daddy is a hopeless boy, you know. Yeah, but I rate him still. Because I don't know where they are. Yeah, I think 2019 or 20, me there, Montego be a work for my old lady house. And some reason I him me say appear. And the first time I see my kids them, And I swear me take out $130,000 and give me and them say don't come back. You don't know where me live.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, but it's a reason why I do that. You get me? So I don't eat there nothing still, but I don't think if you forward
still
now.
give us
Yeah, look from afar.
Yeah, man, look from afar.
Yeah.
Because from me a 2-year-old, them youth, they walk out pan way.
Okay.
And you don't know a different man mind mommy. And mommy still, that man they come take care of all our way as stepfather. Yeah, so I always show my respect to him as a stepfather. You get me? I say, even though he might never teach you to ride bicycle or teach you to do nothing the same way. Him fend, bro. Him work hard because he's a mason.
Okay.
And him work hard and he make sure that we're good.
Yeah.
Me, you know, me just never like the fact that I can't wear clocks and things at school and my shoes them name Ear, not even Nike.
Much less, yeah.
About $200 my mother pay feet that I better buy.
Yeah.
Ear.
Yeah.
So
you're you with them after have a
but
room.
my stepfather now him take care of my little sister because she got sickle cell.
Okay.
So she have bad sickle cell, so him always make sure that she good. Best set of John Sport and clocks them.
Yeah.
So when me reach 7th grade now, I realize, listen, I need this cash here. Because I love woman, you know, I get picnic from me in 8th grade, you know.
A lie.
Yeah, so
You
responsibility
how
then.
much?
No, me get twin before and then pass on. Then I stay on fire again.
Yeah.
I get Jaden now, which is my
striker,
little
man.
son. I get him from me about 17.
Whoa.
Yeah? So it's like me have to bear the responsibility. So it's like me did need it, not just want it.
Exactly.
But me did feel like my mother waste time with me and send me to school away. And me did 2 done. So not even back in class, me out the door.
No, but you know what? At the same time, everything, all the experiences
Trust
them
me,
build.
the experiences
So,
at
and
school, yeah.
I can hear it in your lyrics,
Yeah, man.
in your wordplay,
But-
say something there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
She
man.
teach me. Let me tell her what she do. She make sure that me read off the Fat Girl and the Mango Tree book.
Okay,
And
so
teach me
read
to
it.
spell my
Basic,
name
yeah.
and things. So,
Yeah.
me good.
Yeah, you can read that right and
Yeah,
count
me
money.
can't flow like so man fast
Yeah.
and quick, but me good.
You're good.
Me good.
You're
Me can
solid.
check, me can do
Yeah,
that.
man, read
Nah,
that right
man,
and check
nah,
money
man.
how good, but you
Yeah,
don't
nah,
want to
nah,
do
man.
So
it.
me tell
lyricist.
mommy say, yeah, when we reach about 8th grade now, me tell mommy say, yeah, go on. I need this music, yeah.
Yeah.
So me can't go by the go no school. Cause you're not even give me lunch money. And me go start rob people pitney. And me go start do things that me not do, but me have a talent. I
So
don't know
no
the
focus
community
on
love
that.
me, so me just start do music and just focus on the music straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Right now, my youth, them, all of them, one of them say I want to be artists, but me not really force it upon them same way. This the one Sharon play a song for him same way. Me not really force it upon him because me feel like, yo, if you have something, have a skill, have something.
Yeah.
Sound
like,
good though.
you
Sharon,
know you
I
can
remember
sing
Sharon
anything.
played that song there for me a couple months ago and me I tell you that
Yeah,
song.
good,
make
man.
The
them
boy
good, man.
talented.
Vocal, you know.
Prep school, the whole of them go.
Oh, you mean then I must?
Make them good, make sure them good. You
Of
get me? I say?
course. Yeah, I love
So
that.
that one is a
So,
good feeling.
so Nana, you, how many kids you have?
2, boy and girl.
Boy and girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a joy for
It's a joy,
them.
you know, especially like, you know, grew up, my father never there around much.
Yeah, all both.
Because he might travel, play ball in England, play
Yeah.
ball. Let's say some only see him when he might play for Jamaica.
Yeah.
Can get break him come our season, him forward a yard and
Right.
get a couple of days with him or a week. He ain't gone again.
Right.
You know, so I just my mother. But my father, great father. Him never make my shot or nothing. You understand? So me growing up now, make sure some of you them get everything. But me
Yeah,
never get
poor
on
them,
more.
man.
Yeah. And me tell myself so nowadays, because we already have so much experiences, I'm youth them me I live for now.
True
I don't
that,
really
man,
want nothing
brother.
else. Me youth them me I live for. Anything I'm do, I for them.
True
You
that.
understand?
Yeah.
Set that legacy there for them, you know?
Yeah.
The monarchy, you say.
Of
you know?
course.
Yeah. Just set that for them and make sure them good.
Love
Me say,
that. You know, I always feel like we have to talk about these things because you mentioned earlier about the dark times where all the way I forgot through that, isn't
Yeah.
it? And even as a sportsman or even as an artist, we have a lot of pressure because
Yeah.
we have to deal with the masses them. And with that comes a whole heap of expectations and all these things. Like how you deal with the negative side of the kind, the wicked, the terrible comments them, you know what I mean? Because mental health is a
Yeah,
thing
yeah,
that we
man. Yeah,
have
someone-
to
yeah, man.
you know, because it's a whole heap of pressure and pressure must spike.
Yeah. To be honest, I just touch the ball feeling. You know. Once I put the ball on my foot, I don't remember nothing. All of my problems are gone.
Yeah, ball
You
game
know,
of the
I'm
therapy.
sure Teejay can be a testament to that when I'm in the studio.
Mm.
You know, put him, you know, the pain in the voice in a song. You see me when I go up on the pitch, and just put in the work and go train, just go play some scrimmage. You understand? And also just my kids them. When me and them said daddy is a joy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Melt.
yeah.
You know, become a sponge soft, you know.
That is it.
You know.
My kids them
Yeah,
is
the
a
greatest
big
joy, you know.
lift for me.
I come in from training, I got my bed, me here for them voice. Good.
Yeah.
You know, the greatest thing
And
for
what
you.
you do for come back to Teejay?
Why we in as long as I know early in the morning when me just wake up negativity forward, cause me I tell you, we fall out, man.
Yeah, man.
When me just wake,
And you bring it to me that man.
yeah, we have to fall out.
Yeah.
But me might call back later and say, boy, we ain't got no me
That's some
just
mistake.
wake up.
That's some mistake, that's some mistake.
Yeah. You get me? I say, but negativity is a thing where a life, you know, as him say, we have dark days, but me always try to go in the studio. You get me? I say that. Enough artists never really reach to God level yet, like God point where I wonder, what me do, like, why me? You get me? I say, we reach that level there and could have fight through it, so I understand life on a level, I know how to deal with people, and when you see some negative things that come sometimes, I just walk with from it, man.
We not worry about nothing.
Man. Just me.
As long as we got life,
doing
I'm
okay.
A man like that, you have to respect, you know.
Yeah,
Man, they can
you
fight the
just-
star, man. Whether it's star, you have to respect them, because you never know what go through a man.
Yeah,
do.
man.
You
You
sing it in your song,
Yeah.
them, can see it there.
Enough
A
time.
cool bum, because just one mind say, yo, then Teejay no sing that in them song.
Enough time I see her, like, me up on my phone and I see some girl and I know like my outside baby mother them, me youth them mother same way put up or something same way. I know me and them mind of them, me text them and tell them say, Mama, no bother with them something them man.
Yeah,
Good man, how are you?
yeah.
Me gonna send a thing same way. All when me know say as me I make sure say everybody good, cause me know the pressure right now it's hard. It's hard, so you get me I say. If you can stay focused is a good thing.
That is true.
Yeah,
That is
man.
true. So how you keep in contact with the community, with Mobi? You have charity, you have give back.
Yeah.
School.
Most time we do give back to the community.
Yeah, because I know he's a youth now.
Yeah,
left out.
always I give back to the community.
Yeah.
Always, you get me?
Yeah.
But me not left out Mobi the same way. Like, most of the time, I hardly in the country. Once I come Jamaica, I make sure I do at least a 2 day or a 3 day and I'm Mobi with the youth. Them
Yeah.
hold back of energy.
That
Cause
is it.
river, cook some food, go and
Yeah,
try.
what you mean? Right, yeah, stay grounded.
Yeah, man.
That is another part of dealing with that negative side.
Yeah,
the
because
way
the youth them a grow and I find out say even in Montego Bay, Jamaica, me leave Montego Bay at 2018, right? And the reason why I leave Montego Bay, that we're in the community and we don't know what else to do. We don't know what else to do. We reach crossroad, we don't know how to push the music. Everybody I get used to una boy up, una, you get me I say? And me sit down in the community and me look for one of my friends and tell them, say, bro, you know, so me I got told, I nah stay here and other pick up tree every day, I'm off the bus. And me left Mobi come sleep on floor at all.
Yeah.
You get me I say?
Yeah, man, to make it work.
Just to make it work.
Yeah, I mean.
And me never go back, me just make sure say, me come bless up my people them. Cause me believe say a crab in a barrel, when you go back, a crab in a barrel mentality to get out and go back. Just make sure say your legacy left. Me left a foundation, I build up my mother house. You know old ladies stay, them no want come
Them
out,
no
no
want
matter how
to-
we let it come.
Left
no,
brother,
Build up
that's
mommy
how
house,
them know.
left that the rest of the youth them can know say a Teejay foundation that
That
yes,
is
the G come from.
That is it. And also, I know you're a Rockfort ambassador.
Yeah,
You know, left the cup for me, get a couple of days off.
Yeah,
you
man.
forward.
Yeah, man.
you treat them and them thing
Yeah.
and
Start a little foundation we can give back. You know, Christmas time, make sponsors them come in, you know, come make the youth them nice, you know. Basically bring Santa to the ghetto.
Yeah,
You
you know what the
understand?
good thing about the baller? Baller get away from artists, you know, because we know say the baller and the pressure, you know, but
Yeah.
the artist better know say him try get to with visa,
No, man, no, man.
embassy, you know.
No, sir. We get that person
see, get
there, man. We get right 2 letter with the club, send 2 letter and thing, man. You know,
Artists are embassy.
I mean, man.
no, sir, but you know, like,
teamwork, you know.
you know, the reason why me go back, my friend them are one of my motivation. I say all of my friend them pass on. 90% of my friend them pass
Yeah,
on.
man. So who left we have to make sure
Yeah.
say, we try and
So when them
motivate
see me, them I say, yo, but me and the baller go through the same thing. So if he make it out, me can make it out too. And me carry them sometime, carry them go reviews, carry them down to Glorious,
Yeah,
rent out a little part and just eat food and them thing, them sister life they have live.
that is
Yeah.
it.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because you have enough people never left them community, not even got half a tree, you know.
Yeah.
You know, so some people don't know them thing there.
You see
Fam.
me?
Yeah, some
You know,
people
say-
don't know them thing there.
Me a part of man, I come from Tower, and I tell him, say, I want to go barbershop, and I tell him, say, I know that, so. I'm have to sit down and look at him good for 30 minutes, I wonder why I just tell me, say, a while ago, and mother say, singer, don't left you, sir. Right, that's how I grown, I just run up and down.
Yeah,
can't buy clothes, right, that's all thing.
Yeah.
No, in the barbershop, what do you say?
Yeah, when they say, yeah, man.
Yeah, so it's just a joy, you know. Enough time I just sit back and ease him, link up my virgin them, boat a port trial, get in some swim around and thing, all 40 pound, lobster, everything.
Yeah, chef?
And just now, get there done, you always have chef in the garrison.
No, but me ask you
yeah, man, I
chef.
can cook, yeah, man.
Yeah,
I live from home from me at 16.
Right, yeah.
So
and, then
and
then the nutrition have to right.
Yeah,
so you have
nutrition
to
have
know
to right.
where
So,
you put in
when
your
I man, I come with Marga, I get just eat anything more. Burger, fries, anything. But you know,
Yeah,
no.
bad chef?
Yeah, man, I can cook food, man. Just done jerk some chicken up a yard.
I lie.
Yeah, man.
Wait, so when daddy a jerk, all the people them circle.
Yeah, man, make our own sauce and thing.
Yeah, man, from scratch. That's how good to work, man.
10 fingers, something like that.
Yeah.
That is it.
Bone and chop everything.
Yeah. Well, I mean, good luck on the journey to the next World Cup, Bert. My daddy, I feel it. I feel the energy.
Feel it, man.
Feel the buzz, and I feel like the team ready. Feel like you have the teammate and everything does work, right?
Them say right now, our World Cup for the we are that we not play. Are you?
Sure.
Everybody have visa.
Yeah.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah, and explain to me why this opportunity is even better than usual.
But yeah, man, it's a easier journey. The big three in there, so we're supposed to the smaller Caribbean country them.
Yeah.
We shoot on paper, we are the best team in a team now. So.
That's
All right. So it even easier run then.
But yeah.
More likely for we do it then. Make it a reality.
Just give them a run for their money, man.
We don't have the side. We never need no blind.
No, we don't need
We
no
never
blind.
need an
Yeah.
easier run. We have the squad can deal with it.
Yeah, man.
So I look forward to that.
People know what I worry, man. Leon, I give him a call. I'm still go forward.
Yeah.
I worry myself, you know?
Really,
All right. And that's why I'm here.
Bailey, if you come play ball, man.
Yeah,
Me understand
boy,
why
yeah.
I'm saying that because when I watch the interview, I feel so too.
Yeah.
Enough time I tell Sharon them things like, Sharon, I don't understand how Teejay can go up on a stage show go work for 1 hour and at them man, I see them give some privilege and treat with like underdog. So I know the feeling sometimes in the situation, but do it for your culture, man.
Yeah.
And it may say some music in the works for a nice soundtrack for the campaign.
Yeah.
Big Bad World Cup song,
look
something
forward
can
to
go
that,
on.
yeah, man.
Something can
Something
go
can
on.
go on.
Yeah,
Have a
man.
JBL
For
box,
the
you know?
culture, man.
Yeah.
Bunks it.
Yeah, but
Respect
love
and manners for
it,
that, you know?
Teejay. I do it for the culture. And what you do know, you open doors for the next generation of youth, them can get big song, dominate the world, and do the thing. I know with every big accomplishment, the dreams them get bigger. So what's next? What the next thing now?
But I
What
just
you
do
look
it,
for
you know, say right now, I get my schedule and my scene thing them for practice something. I'm supposed to go in a movie.
Wow.
Cha-cha.
Yeah, so I practice my work.
Yo.
I need to like a flare nights.
We'll be up on the map
Yeah,
again.
man. Acting, I gone to you now, man.
Trendsetter, man.
Love that, brother.
Yeah, I know
man.
them are people, I don't care where you do them now, I remember, you know, so I buy it as well, I buy a helicopter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do things out there now.
Swear.
Freestyle.
We love that, brother. So let's go on to the work. You don't know, but by next year again, we catch up in our barbershop and we'll talk about some more things. And
Yeah,
some
man, all the
Achievement,
time. It's a pleasure,
milestones.
man.
Yeah.
Respect me,
Give
G.
Yeah,
thanks
man.
for passing
Love
through,
you,
brother.
brother, isn't it?
Yeah, man. The cut.